The Honor Magic V4 Foldable is a groundbreaking flagship that pushes the boundaries of what a foldable smartphone can achieve, combining next-generation hardware with an elegant, futuristic design. At the heart of the device is a breathtaking QHD Plus Super AMOLED display with a blazing fast 144Hz refresh rate, delivering an ultra-smooth and immersive visual experience whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking across its expansive foldable screen. The panel offers deep contrasts, rich colors, and exceptional clarity, making every interaction a visual delight. Performance-wise, the Magic V4 is a beast, powered by the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, engineered for high efficiency and lightning-fast responsiveness. This is complemented by an astonishing 32 GB of RAM, enabling seamless multitasking and future-proofing the device for even the most demanding applications. With an immense 1 TB of internal storage, users have more than enough space for 4K videos, high-resolution photos, large games, and productivity files without ever worrying about running out of space. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Magic V4 is its massive 8,000 mAh battery, which ensures extended usage even under heavy workloads. Combined with 120W fast charging, the device can be quickly powered back up in a matter of minutes, making battery anxiety a thing of the past. On the photography front, the Magic V4 introduces an industry-defying 300MP camera sensor, capable of capturing images with unprecedented detail and clarity, whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or night scenes. Altogether, the Honor Magic V4 Foldable is not just an upgrade, it's a bold reimagining of what a smartphone can be. It blends top-tier hardware, innovative foldable technology, and futuristic features into a single, cohesive device that's built for power users, creators, and anyone who refuses to compromise.